Hi, here is Philip from Little Help. Today I want to show you my new microphone. It's YENKEE and model is YMC 1020GY. One my friend said that my voice in my YouTube videos is quite weak, so I decided to buy a new microphone. So I can show you specification. It's primarily for desktop PC, and I just want to mention that it has jack connector and cable length is 1.8 meter. So let's go open it. Box is quite small. I want to mention that price is only about 12 euros. There is no manual inside, but I don't mind. Oh, and tripod is included. Here is tripod. And here is microphone. It has button for on and off, and I can try to put it here. So here it is. Now I'm going to record my speech on this microphone and also on my built-in microphone in my PC, and you will see if there is some difference and you can compare it. So now I am recording on my laptop and I will speak to my built-in microphone, and I will just count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm trying to speak quite loudly. So now I'm going to connect my new YENKEE microphone. Now I have connected my new YENKEE microphone, so I will just count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So is it better or not? Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.